today is the day when me and Dipanjan are tying the knot. We met in the year of 2009 when we got into our second year of engineering.
How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone.
That was the first day of our college lecture in second year. মনে আছে so professor asked কি জিজ্ঞেস করছিল কলকাতা থেকে মানে সবাই এসছে। So I remember যখন when he asked কলকাতা থেকে কে কে এসছে, so I put up my hand thinking কি মানে আমি একাই হব যে কলকাতা থেকে কে আসে এখানে। Then I looked around the room and I saw this girl who also put up her hand. And I saw her and I immediately knew that's it. So I know who she should be. Right, and then so we became very good friends in the coming years.
And that's how our story started. For about a year it was more about getting to know each other and becoming friends. And after a year Dipanjan proposed, and I also thought about it. He was honestly one of my best friends, and from there on there hasn't been any looking back.
Almost 10 years right now, so that's the story of how we met.
Every hour has come to this. One step closer.
Dipanjan was in Jamshedpur doing his job. I was in Bangalore. Then we both started pursuing our own career goals, doing our MBAs, etc. But I think we were destined together, and here we are today.
Love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me.
If you ask me the three things that I like about her, the first that comes to my mind is her ability to push you to be more than the ordinary. So whoever I am, whatever successes I have, a large extent can be actually attributed to her. She's always pushing you to be better than what you already are.
The things I really love about Dipanjan, I think if you look at it, Dipanjan seems to me more like a coconut. Somebody who seems really tough on the outside, but when you really get to know him as a person, you realize what a warm, gentle, loving person he is.
One step closer.
The second thing would be that she's very selfless in her way that she cares for people. I think even if it kind of inconveniences her, that doesn't stop her from going out of her way to make other people happy, and that applies for everyone. So that's something phenomenal, to be that kind of selfless for everyone.
I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to
He's really affectionate, and he goes out of his way to help you, to really get the best out of you. I think that's what sets him apart. He's been one of my bestest friends, somebody who shows me a mirror every single day of my life, who calls a spade a spade. He's tough when he needs to be, he's very warm and gentle when he needs to be, and I think he brings the best out of me, and I think that's why we are so fond of each other.
Third thing I think is her ability to kind of create connections with people very, very spontaneously. So it's just a matter of few minutes, a few words that she says, she immediately builds a bond with anyone who she interacts with. Again, fantastic that ability to kind of forge bonds so quickly. That's really great.
I'm feeling so excited, and I'm honestly so thankful to all our relatives, friends who've come from all parts of the country and the world. I think I couldn't thank them enough.
I really thank everyone who've come here today for this event. So thank you.
मुंडिया नहीं गेंद लागे माटी को ये चंदन सा माथे पे सजाए रे, जुबां पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे, के देखे न भाले न जाने न दाए रे, दिशाहारा केमन बोका মনটা রে।
Honestly, extremely happy and feel blessed that God has given me this opportunity to get my daughter married. My sweetheart, my doll Nalini, both of them have graduated from my engineering college, which is an added plus point. I wish them both very, very happy and blessed married life.
আজকে নলিনী আর রনির বিয়ে খুব আনন্দ হচ্ছে, এত আনন্দ সে মানে বলতে পারি না। নাতি বিয়ে দেখছি, প্রথম নাতি বিয়ে, এটা তো আনন্দের মানে এত আনন্দ সে তো মানে প্রকাশ করতে পারছি না, এত আনন্দ হচ্ছে। ভালো থাকুক, সুখে থাকুক, শান্তিতে ওরা সংসার করুক, এটাই চাই। আর শান্তিতে থাকুক, শান্তিতে মানে শান্তি মতো সংসার করে যাক।
পুত্রবধূ নলিনী এবং দীপাঞ্জনের জন্য আমাদের তরফ থেকে রইল অসংখ্য আশীর্বাদ ও শুভেচ্ছা। তার সঙ্গে আমরা ভগবানের কাছে প্রার্থনা করি যেন ওদের সুখী দাম্পত্য জীবন থাকে এবং ওরা যেন একসঙ্গে সারা জীবন চলতে পারে।
আমি সবথেকে এক্সাইটেড পার্সন ছিলাম এই ওয়েডিংটার জন্য। মানে 30 ডেজের আগে থেকে কাউন্টডাউন স্টার্ট করেছি অল সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া। মানে যদি কেউ এফোর্ট দিয়ে থাকে এই ওয়েডিংটা, সেটা হচ্ছে আমি। স্টার্টেড হ্যাশট্যাগ নলুকি জান ফর দেম। ওদের জন্য আমি এনগেজমেন্ট পার্টি পর্যন্ত মানে অর্গানাইজ করেছি। আমি আমার দাদা বৌদিকে খুব ভালোবাসি অ্যান্ড আই উইশ দেম অল দ্য বেস্ট, আ ভেরি গুড হ্যাপি ম্যারিড লাইফ।
Finally, that day has come. We are all very, very excited. We wish both of them a very happy married life. God bless them whatever they want in their life.
तू जावे जे मैनू छड्ड के मौत दा इंतजार।
ভালো থাকুক, সুখী থাকুক, দুজনে মিলেমিশে থাকুক, এটাই আমার কাছে ভগবানের কাছে প্রার্থনা আর আশীর্বাদ করি ওরা ভালো থাকুক।
छुपी हूँ मेरा मुझ में कुछ नहीं, सब तेरा।
मैं तो बस तुझसे ही बना हूँ, तेरे बिन मैं बेवजह हूँ, मेरा मुझ में कुछ नहीं, सब तेरा, सब तेरा।